Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I'll show you how you can apply screen protector on the smartphone, the tempered glass. So at the first you have to prepare a few things. The first time, the good source of light to see a very mess on the screen that you have. As you can see here, I can find a lot of fingerprints. So we are going to remove this one. Also, if you don't have in your box with tempered glass stickers, I can recommend you to use some kind of the duct tape to take off the piece of the dust from the screen. And also, it will be cool if you have something like that paper towel. We will also use it. So at the first, let's open our box with tempered glass, and inside for sure we can find the tempered glass, the two wipes, and the wet and the dry one. And in some cases you will be also get the stickers to take off the piece of the dust. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have it, so I'm going to use the duct tape. But at the first, let's grab these wipes and let's use the wet one at the first. So let's make gestures like that in the circle. Okay, here we lost some focus on the camera. I don't know why, honestly. It's a weird a little bit. And just take a look on the screen. Right now it looks better, but let's focus on the edges. Okay, it looks like that. So right now we have to grab the second wipe, the dry one. Let's open it like that. And then just make gestures in the circle, the same like with the wet one. Okay, it looks like that. And as you can see here on the screen, we got something like, I don't even know how to correctly spell that word in the English, so you know what I mean, right? We have to remove this one. So that's why I was talking about the paper towel. Let's grab it and then move like that. Let's make it in the circle. Let's also get another side. So let's take a look on the screen. Okay, right now it looks better, but still we have to remove these things from the screen. Okay, so as you can see right now it looks better. Let's focus on the weak points. Definitely on the edges. Okay, and when you finish, you have to grab your duct tape or any kind of the stickers. And if you spot dust on the screen, you have to simply make something like that. Okay, and right now when you finish, you have to grab this tempered glass and take off this foil. As you can see, in my case, we got some kind of the problem because this sticker doesn't follow with the foil, right? So if you have the same problem, you have to put your nail underneath this thin foil from one of the edge, for example, from the left one. Just take a look. It will be hard to make it, but it will. We will succeed. Okay, as you can see here, it doesn't come, so let's focus on the another edge. Maybe we can make it from this one. Oh, come on. I don't like this kind of the moments in the videos when something doesn't go well. Okay, let's try to grab it mainly from the bottom side. As you can see, even when something like that happens, you have to be patient, don't be angry. Honestly, I'm just wondering if there's foil? Or am I blind or something like that? To be honest, I cannot even spot that foil here. It looks like the used glass. without the foil. Let me just take a look another time. So guys, for real, there is used glass. There is no foil on it, there is just the stickers. For real, trust me. Oh, come on. Wait a minute, I'm going for another glass and I will be back soon. Of course, it will be cut in the video, so don't worry. I will be here for 1 second. Okay, so here I am and I got 2 tempered glasses. I know that maybe in your case it's not possible to bring the other glass, but in my is, so let's take this one. Okay, and just let's take a look here. Okay, definitely this one is a little bit thickness, so take a look. Here is the foil, and on the another one right here, when I was using it for the first time, it's not. So I don't know why someone sells something like that. Come on. So when you get the correctly glass, where you can take off this foil and you can follow with the sticker, you can just take a look on the screen, but something pops on the screen. So let's remove this dust with our duct tape, as I said before. Okay, I think that right now it looks good. Yeah. So right now we have to keep holding your glass like that, and let's put at the first the upper section on the. Let's put the glass on the upper section of the screen. Let's put it like that. Keep holding the bottom part. Holy moly, something comes under the screen. Okay, we remove it. So if you keep holding it like that, right, you can try to move it correctly on the right side a little bit, then put your finger here and then just put it like that. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically, right? We don't even have to press anything, and it sticks to our screen. So right now, let's use this second wipe, and let's try to, not this one, the dry one, and then try to something like that. Okay, and finally we are able to grab our smartphone and then just enjoy the protection from the tempered glass. So as you can see, it wasn't that easy, as I said, but finally we got it. And if you got something like in my case, this kind of the tempered glass, you have to remove your to the shop and just use the warranty, because it's just the bad quality of the product, and here you cannot find this foil to take it off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.